Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee, and welcome to this card making tutorial. This is the really simple card I'm making today. It's a variation on the shuffle and slice or slice and shuffle card, and it uses for decoration it uses pieces from our mix and match ephemera packs. So let me show you how I made this. So let's start off with the easy bit, our card base, which is going to be Lost Lagoon again. So let me put down this piece of basic white. Now, card base, as I said, is Lost Lagoon, so that's an A4 sheet cut in half and then fold in half. So it's a standard A6 card base. And then I've got a piece of basic white that's going to fit on the inside for the inside, and then another one for the outside. Now, I should say all the measurements as well as the supply list is listed and linked on the blog post, and you can find the link to that in the description box below. So I'm going to put this other piece on the front. Now I'm going to use up more of my pieces. I'm not going to cut again because I'm going to be I'm being, how do you say it? I'm being thrifty is the word I was looking for. So what I'm going to show you is that I cut pieces here, and you're going to see how this went together. So there you can see, and this pink piece that would have been here, I've already used on the card here. So you can see here, what we're going to do is we're going to take one of each piece. So I'm going to start off with this piece here. And what I did when I made this card is I cut 3 pieces of designer series paper that matched, and I cut them to measure 9.5 by 13.85 centimeters, and then I just cut them up. No rhyme or reason how I did it. I just cut them up into 3s. What I did do before I cut everything is I held all 3 layers together with some post-it note tape, so they all cut in exactly the same place. And that's the really important bit, is that they all cut exactly the same. So we're going to take one of each pattern. So let's have a look here what we've got. We've got this pattern here. So we're going to take that one, and I'm going to just bring in my original, my card base. So we're going to have one of that pattern there. So let me just move this. You can see that'll be the last card. And then let's take one of this pattern here. No, let's leave that there. Let's take one of the patterns here. That's nice. That's better. And then the last one will be here. And then you'll see that's the other card there, if you had to put it together. So then you would have a cut and shuffle card or slice and shuffle, and you've made 3 cards out of your cutting. And you can see how the 3 cards would look. So I'm going to save this for another day, those pieces, and I'm going to stick down this now. So let's start off with this piece here in the corner. Now I'm going to try and leave a little white border around. Okay, and then this piece here. I have to say, I love this colour, Lost Lagoon. It really is so pretty. Really is, this pattern as well. And this is the, I don't think I said, this is the Everyday Essentials Designer Series paper from Stampin Up. And then the last bit here. And this paper has been the focus of my card club for July, my online card club. Cards by Post is called. So there's many more projects using this paper, and you can find them all on my channel here. So there we go. Isn't that pretty? So now for some decoration, something simple. Don't want to overcrowd it. I've got 2 ephemera packs here. This one is called Meant for You. And we're going to go through this and see what I want to use. You could use balloons again. Got that lovely banner on the birdie. Oh, this is what I want to use. I like this floral. We're going to use the floral, and then we're going to look for a sentiment. And the colours in the ephemera pack match the colours in the designer series paper, which is oh so helpful. So let's have a look here. We have this down somewhere like that. I'm going to pop it up on dimensionals. Then we want a sentiment. With heartfelt thanks, sending you love. No, you could do thank you. Yeah, let's do thank you. That works nicely. Right, let's put that away then. Now these are stickers. Now you could just stick your dimensionals on top of this plastic, on top of the sticker paper. I don't particularly like to do that because I always feel then if the sticker paper starts to peel away, it's just going to peel away from your card. So I like to stick my dimensionals onto the sticky, but you do whatever floats your boat. I'm gonna if you know me, you know I'm quite generous with my dimensionals. And a few baby ones as well, for good measure. Why not? Yeah, plenty there. Let's just take all these backings off. Now I love the Stampin' Up mix and match ephemera kits. They're some of my favourite products, non-stamping products that Stampin' Up sell. They are so easy to use and they are great for these quick cards. And if you want to make a quick card in a hurry, simple, easy card. If you've got somebody who's just, you know, not able to stamp for some reason, then these are really good things to make cards that still allows you to enjoy a bit of creativity. And that's what it's all about, enjoying making something and enjoying the process as much as creating something beautiful. It's also about enjoying that process. So I'm going to put some here on the sentiment too. Alright, get rid of those. I love the clean look of this card. It really appeals to me. Some nice and clean and easy. So let's put that there. Thank you. Get rid of all these backings. They're fighting me. Where's the strangest place you found a dimensional backing? Let me know in the comments below. I love to hear your comments. So there you go. There are the two cards. Really simple and easy cards featuring the mix and match ephemera packs and everyday essentials designer series paper from Stampin' Up. So I hope you enjoyed this card making tutorial. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a big thumbs up. And until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.